Hey guys, check out this 3-axis multi-rotational gimbal, right? Now this thing is amazing. And they sent this to me as a gift to try out, and I am blown away, right? So as soon as I got this package, I was impressed at the boxing. And everything was packaged so nicely, so well, and safe and secure inside of this packaging, right? And when I started pulling out the pieces, it had everything included with this gimbal, including this little AI hub face tracking piece, right? And not only is this an AI hub face tracking piece, this has a powerful light connected to it, right? Now, if you're a little surfer, I don't know, maybe you're chilling out in the coast, you can just go ahead and give it one of the light just turned on. This is amazing. So this gimbal also recognizes your gestures that you can throw at it. I just turned the light off, right? And then I can also stop that face tracking like this with my palm, get up out of the rotation. You know what I mean? Okay, so the feature that I love the most about this 3-axis gimbal is this AI face tracking technology that it has, right? And I tell you, it has it jam-packed right here in a little side device that clips onto it. And this is fantastic because it's not only that AI hub that's going to do the face tracking, but it's also a powerful light that's going to give you some guidance and some light when you need it in the dark, right? And it just snaps right on there like that. And you see, as soon as it snaps on, the gimbal device starts to power it, and look, it picked up that AI face tracking right away, and it picked up my face, right? So I've dealt with a few gimbals before, and I always quit using them because they start not working the way I want them, right? But this one, woo, I'm blown away. So then I wanted to test this out with the handheld version, right? And it held my phone very steady. It made my videos look great. There's 4 different modes that you can use and cycle through them, right? So they got this first person mode, and I love this mode because it's pretty much gonna take an object and kind of track around it, right? So with my mouse here on my desk, I pulled it up and I kind of made it the focal point of the video. And then as I started moving around, it automatically moved it with it. This is AI smartness, I tell you, right? And then it's going to have those other modes that you're going to see on these gimbals, right? So all in all, I am super impressed with this gimbal and all of the features that it's packing inside it, right? It's going to be that handheld, steady device to get those nice shots, you know, and they got a couple different modes with that. You can hold it upside down, you can hold it sideways, you can do what you need to do with this gimbal, and it's going to keep your picture steady. That's great. And then it also has that tripod that you're going to screw on at the bottom, and it's sitting right there taking my video right now, right? I'm impressed with how sturdy that it holds this gimbal and the way that it moves around and holds my different phones. I'm just impressed that how this tripod holds it with no failures. And the AI tracking features, like I said, I'm blown away with I don't know, this is 2025 technology right here. So all in all, if you're looking for an assistant to hold that camera for you while you walk around and do some silly things, I don't know what you're gonna do. Maybe you're making TikToks, right? And you don't have the crew to follow you around. Well, now you do. This is it. So all in all, like I said, if you're looking for that assistant, if you're looking for a camera helper, if you're looking for a camera AI assistant, I don't know, I'm just gonna stop. But definitely, this is gonna be the route to go. This gimbal is fantastic.